Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My respected brothers and sisters, this is Muhammad Danish. I heartily welcome you to my channel Muhammad Danish. My respected brothers and sisters, a message what I want to give you today from this video is that we should never forget our past period, past time, how we were in past season. What today we have is just because of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We should always be grateful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala just because of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala blessing, we are here. My respected brothers and sisters, we should always grateful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We should never raise question. We should not ask that I don't have this, I don't have that. My dear friends, we should always look down. Remember that somebody doesn't have that much also what we have today. We should always think about that. How they will be suffering their life, how they will be living their life. We should always be grateful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. My respected brothers and sisters, one story is written in Khutbat al-Faqir that Sultan Mahmud Ghaznavi rahmatullah alayhi was a very well-known and good-natured king. He was having one servant whose name was Ayaz. Ayaz basically came from rural areas and he was from village side. He was very poor from financial. Sultan was very happy from his work, from Ayaz's work. Ayaz has proved himself as a best servant. So Sultan decided Sultan decided and included Ayaz in his companion. Now remember friends, everywhere jealousy is there. Jealousy doesn't have eyes, but it have very long ears. So other companions were not happy because of that by including of Ayaz in the companion. So they were very jealous from Ayaz. They were always discussed that how we should make Sultan that Ayaz is not good, how we should make Sultan and Ayaz should be fallen from Sultan's eyes and Sultan should remove Ayaz from the kingdom. They always discuss and they always think that how we should make this. They always find a way. One day they all went to Sultan and said that, Sultan, we all have seen one thing that the way you look, the way you love Ayaz, the way you behave to Ayaz, you don't behave from the other companion. What is my Sultan? We are your special companion. We are the educated companion. But Ayaz is not so educated also. But the way you look to Ayaz, you don't look to other companion. We are your nobles. But you don't respect, but you don't love the way you love Ayaz. Sultan smiled and said, I will surely give you the answer of your question any day. After some times, one day Sultan bring one fruit which was very bitter in taste, very harsh in taste. All companions were also present. Ayaz was also there among them. My respected brothers and sisters, one day Sultan bring one fruit which was very bitter in taste, very harsh in taste. All companions were present. Ayaz was also there among them. Sultan made the slices of that fruit and gave to all companions, and he gave one slice to Ayaz also. Now when Sultan start eating, when everyone raised the question, everyone raised their hand that Sultan, the fruit, the slices you have given us is very bitter in taste, very harsh in taste. What is this? But when the Sultan looked to Ayaz, he was smiling and eating. He was not having a single question on his face. Sultan looked to Ayaz and asked him, Ayaz, is the slice you are eating of that fruit is very sweet in taste? Everyone is raising question, everyone is raising their hand, but you don't. What is the matter? What a respectful answer he has given. My respected brothers and sisters, Ayaz said that, Sultan, the fruit you gave us is really very bitter in taste, very harsh in taste. But I am thinking, from the hand I have eaten so much good thing, so much sweet thing. If today I am getting one bitter thing, one harsh thing also, why should I raise the question? I am very happy, I am eating just like that. I am very shy to ask the question from the hand I am eating. I have eaten so much sweet thing. My respected brothers and sisters, the message this story gives us is that we should never raise the question in our fallen times. We should have some passion. We should always be grateful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala what we have. My respected brother and sister, I hope you would be getting a good message from this video, from this story. My respected brother and sister, if you are really getting a good message from this video, please share this video. Jazakumullah khair.